will have laws. And we have asked the members of the county assembly to consider, and which they have said they'll consider, to put very stringent penalties that are deterrent, especially on the producers and wholesalers of drugs and alcohol. We have told them to put very stringent fines and imprisonment terms for people who are found to manufacture illicit alcohol. We have told them to come up with very stringent penalties for those who peddle. We have equally requested them to have very stringent penalties for those who consume. We have asked them to look at laws on how vehicles that transport chang'aa and other illicit brews will be forfeited. We have asked them to consider shutting down premises that have been found to be involved in this trade, so that they are shut down forever. And I can tell you, they are raring to go because they are leaders and they know the cry of the population. The people of this country, parents are in tears. I can hardly go to the village because of the cry of our women, because they have lost their children. So the assemblies will do their bit. By the 30th of June, we'll have laws in the 5 counties, and good laws.